This is our adventure. So we just left Katba and we're on our way to Ninh Binh now. Got a 4-hour bus ride. Very good. We went to Tam Coc, located in Ninh Binh, and had some fabulous calorie-packed treats on the way. Thank you. So hello again everyone, and today we are back with Ariane.
Hi.
Say hello Ariane. Ninh Binh is a province in the Red River Delta region and is located at the southernmost gateway to northern Vietnam. Bordering the mountains and the plains, this region hosts many natural lakes where the locals fish and breed marine species in the fresh and brackish waters of the province. Many have converted ineffective paddy rice fields into aquaculture areas where fish and crab are bred. Once again, tourism is very developed in this area and is a big source of income. People from all over the world come to visit the natural landscapes on rowing boats. However, we decided to move on foot for tonight, and we crossed the magnificent Old Lam forest. So this is a cemetery. It's beautiful out here. In the heart of this forest lies the Thai V temple, built in the 13th century to worship kings of the Tran dynasty who had to fight off the Mongols and protect these lands. The ancient land of Ninh Binh was actually the capital of Vietnam in the period 968 to 1010 under 3 different dynasties. The guy creates kind of like a road all along with all the people passing by with the boats. It's kind of funny the way it looks. Nice. Ariane's first time on the bike.
Bon, peut-être que je vais faire des dingueries parce que je sais pas trop comment on tourne.
New day, Monday. How are you, Ariane?
Feeling great.
Feeling great?
And you?
Yeah, good.
Feeling great.
Oh yeah, Ariane had a small crash on the road, so the road took a bit longer. This guy is always super quick, so he was here like 20 minutes ago. I think it took me like 30 minutes.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking some coconut juice.
Oh my god, it looks
really nice. It's delicious. We're gonna do a boat tour in the Van Long Water Reserve. Looks really nice. We hope it's not gonna rain on us though. In 1960, a 30-kilometer dike was built to control the water of the Dai River, turning Van Long into the largest wetland nature reserve in the northern delta. Martin working hard.
Yeah, man. These old ladies doing a good job.
I know, it's funny the way you row. The mountains turned into isolated rocky islands, attracting migratory birds and developing a rich biodiversity. This guy ordered the wrong dish. Come on, that looks tasty now. Do you say beef? Bah. Bah. We're heading to the pagoda of Bai Dinh. Really big pagoda, looks amazing. Wow, guys, look at this. Bai Dinh Temple, or Bai Dinh Spiritual Complex, is the largest pagoda complex in Vietnam, and since the end of its construction in 2010, it boasts a total of 9 records, one of which is in this tower, the Bell Tower. This bell weighs 36 tons and is the biggest bronze bell in Vietnam. In ancient Vietnam and most countries of Asia, every village had a bell and a drum tower. Today, temples usually have a bell tower on the left side and a drum tower on the right side. The complex was built next to an ancient pagoda, which nests higher in the mountain. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to visit it. In addition to being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Bai Dinh Pagoda is also a famous pilgrimage landmark where a lot of Buddhists come to worship the many different Buddhas, as well as the mountain spirits. They give offerings such as fruit or incense to accumulate merits and prepare their meditation. The complex also holds holy relics coming all the way from India and Burma. They are kept in the Bao Thap Tower, a 99-meter tall, 13-story structure, which gives impressive views of the entire area. Just found this amazing place with loads of little lanterns in the trees. It looks splendid. And on the next day, we said hello to our first ducklings at the Buffalo Cave.
Je meurs de petit hameçon là. Viens là, mon petit. Oh non. C'est trop mignon. C'est le plus beau jour de ma vie. Oh non, c'est trop mignon. Oui, t'es petit. Non mais c'est trop mignon. Désolée. Ils sont trop mignons.
C'est trop mignon. Aïe. Oh, it's so strange. Later on, we headed to a famous viewpoint in Ninh Binh called the Mua Caves. People even rent bicycles from Tam Coc and pedal along a nice scenic path to go there. After a 20-minute ascent, we reached the top of the Noa Long mountain. With its 40-meter long dragon, people also call this mountain the Dragon Mountain. The Vietnamese dragon is symbolic of bringing rain for agriculture, and it also represents the emperor, the prosperity and power of the nation. Right next to the mountain, there is a massive pond of lotus flowers, symbol of rebirth, purity and strength. Once again, we did things at the last minute, and I can't thank our hostel owner more. She took me on the back of the motorbike while Clément was sprinting behind us. Ah, what an adventure. Thank you. We were late for the bus. Almost late. And here we are, heading further down south for a one-day pit stop in Phong Nha, famous for its immense cave systems. And we couldn't say no to another bike trip with our fellow Martine.
Amazing. I always tried the cheapest way too. Otherwise I would sit in the buggy at my own.
Phong Nha has similar karst cave systems as the one we explored in Cao Bang, but here the cavern ceiling was higher and we felt like in a massive cathedral. It was crazy.
Oh yeah, you told us.
It's in this region that hides the world's largest cave, Son Doong Cave, that has its own climate and clouds. Can you believe that? Cheapskates or not, we didn't have $3,000 and 1 week to spare to visit it. So we were content with Paradise Cave.
No? I thought you were a tiger.
How many are there? After a spontaneous volleyball game with the local ladies, we went to visit the ducks.
Where the ducks stop.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
The ultimate Vietnamese experience today.
It's a pleasure to meet you all, you know?
Like Johnny
What a classic. Let the Spanish people take the fucking risk first, don't you? Unbelievable.
Let's go, Diego. Yes.
like this.
Oh my god.
Why is he called Donald Trump?
Married wife, eat a lot of children.
Yeah.
Every morning boom boom a lot. Tell the female, eat one male.
Boom boom?
Boom boom.
Every morning.
Every morning.
Boom boom every morning.
Eat the ball. Long term nut.
Come on, stop boom boom, man.
Strong man, good luck.
Need a rest now. Boom boom. How old is he?
9 years old.
9 years old.
Yeah, 9 years.
How long does he live for?
20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
I'm walking through the biggest crab, man. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sexy. Nice tan. Yeah, Martin, Vietnamese farmer.
Oh my god!
Oh wow.
Stop! Shake your booty, quack. The only way to get attention from them is shake your booty, mate.
Shake your booty, on your booty.
Oh fuck no. Come on, shake the booty. Oh. No, not there.
This is not safe for work.
I don't want it, man!
This marks the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. That would really help me out a lot. And see you in the next one in the center of Vietnam. Bye bye.